Joining us now in the kitchen is Lucy. Are you ready to turn pizza into a cupcake?
Yes.
All right, let's get started. So to start off this recipe, first, what we've already done is you want to preheat your oven to 375 and then brown some sausage in a skillet, which we've already done ahead of time for about 10 minutes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to chop up our vegetables and then we're going to throw them in the skillet. So everybody has their own method for how they cut their green peppers, but I will show you mine and then I can have you help me chop them up into smaller pieces. How about that?
Okay.
So how I do mine in the kitchen is I usually cut around the top, pull that off and we'll chop that up. And then you can see you have the heart in the center here that has all the seeds, and then I just cut that out. You can see all the seeds are on the heart and we don't have to worry about those anymore. So let's put that aside here. And when you're in the kitchen, if you're using any sharp objects, you always want to make sure that you have an adult with you so that you don't accidentally hurt yourself. Good job.
And the other way?
Yep, and then you want to cut them into little pieces across. Now, have you had many peppers before, Lucy?
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite pepper? Some peppers are really hot, like jalapeno peppers.
Yeah, I like those.
Yeah. So what are your favorite pizza toppings?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni, nice. Well, that's perfect because we're going to have pepperoni on top of these pizza cupcakes. What do you think about pineapple on pizza? It's a very controversial opinion, you know, yeah. And then before we start on our onion, great, we'll have you put that back. I'll just start heating this up a little bit here for us. We're gonna wanna make sure we keep our eye on it, but the next thing we wanna do is we wanna chop our onion.
It's hard.
It is hard, yeah. Perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to let the peppers and the onions saute. This will take about 6 to 8 minutes. And of course you want to make sure that you keep your eyes on this. But as this is sauteing, what you can do is you can start filling up your cupcakes with the crescent roll dough. This is the fun part, opening the crescent rolls to the point where they pop open. So let's see here. Push down here, it pops. You want to push down with me right there? Yeah, perfect. Good job. So this should make 8 muffins for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to break these off and we're going to fill each cup. And a little trick I found when I was practicing at home is I'll show you and then you can help me fill. How about that? Is to kind of twist it around in a circle. So you want to start on the side and then just twist the edge around like that. And then twist the other edges in. And then you want to make sure the bottom and all the edges are covered. So you want to help me fill in the rest of the cupcake tin for us? There you go. While you do that, I'm also going to check on our vegetables over there and see how those are doing. It's smelling pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah.
And we'll combine it with our sausage meat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start scooping it into there. How about that? Okay, so you can tell me when you think I've got them all filled up, because we still have to add the pizza sauce.
I think that's good.
That looks good, yeah. I think those are pretty full, don't you think?
Yep.
All right. And the next thing we're going to do is over the top of our ingredients that we've chosen, we're going to ladle our pizza sauce. So I'm going to have you do that for me. Perfect. And then we're going to top these off with our toppings. So we're going to do cheese, and like you said, you love pepperoni pizza, so we're going to add some pepperonis on top here. So we just have some basic shredded cheese, so you can pick whatever type of cheese you want. We've got mozzarella cheese. Now, have you ever had bagel bites?
Yeah.
Okay, see, I wasn't sure if bagel bites were still a thing. These look way better than bagel bites.
Yeah.
Bagel bites or pizza rolls?
Yeah.
Looking pretty good. Nice job. And once your oven is done preheating, all you need to do is bake in the oven for about 16 to 18 minutes and they're ready. So since I'm the adult in the kitchen today, I'm going to go over to the oven and load this in there. So I think it's been about 16 or 18 minutes, don't you think, Lucy?
Yeah.
And it's smelling really good in the kitchen. So let's get our pizza muffins out of the oven and see how they look. I'm gonna make sure I use my trusty oven mitts. We don't want anyone to get burnt. They look really good.
They do.
Let's plate these and see how they look. Now those look absolutely delicious. If you need to opt out, if you need to substitute anything for an allergy or a food preference, you can always substitute for dairy-free cheese, and you can even leave out the meat and do a veggie option.